Revolution requires courage and sustainable vision. Facing all the challenges, we embrace revolution with passion. Only revolution can lead us to sweep away all obstacles. The belief in revolution. PENTA Laser takes guiding the technological change of laser application as mission, firmly moving forward in the field of intelligent laser processing equipment in China. PENTA Laser has delivered the first laser cutting machine to China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology and has installed China's first laser welding machine in CRRC of Metro Parts Welding. Dozens of large format 10 kW laser cutting machine with bevel function from PENTA Laser are working at Seni Group. From 8 kilowatt fiber laser cutting machine to 20 kilowatt first set of national major technical equipment to world first 30 kilowatt fiber laser multifunction platform. PENTA's continuous R&D and innovation have resulted in the first deliveries of high-power laser cutting machines in China, representing the cutting-edge technologies of high-power laser processing. From application to innovation, how can PENTA Laser turn from follower into leader of international high-power laser manufacturing in just a few years? Why can PENTA Laser insist on its mission, devote itself to laser research, and set new records of high-power laser process equipment again and again?
是立志激光技术变革的初心，
是勇于挑战、追求卓越的进取心，
是持续为客户创造价值的责任心。
人才为本，创新为宏，自我革新，正是这种精神，让我们在激烈的竞争中勇立时代潮头。
In recent years, PENTA Laser has expanded business to more than 30 countries and regions overseas, which makes PENTA Laser the leading high-power laser equipment exporter of China. PENTA Laser has made innovation as daily task. Each step in technological innovation is a surprise. From sharp corner cutting to small hole cutting, from shining surface cutting to perpendicularity, from smart lead-out to bevel cutting, all the steps in technological innovation have accumulated into a giant leap in machine function improvement. PENTA's laser cutting machines are now multifunction laser processing platforms integrated with shearing, punching, drilling, milling, plasma cutting, and bevel cutting. They are the powerful weapons to improve production efficiency, reduce production cost, and achieve better quality. Each step in product innovation is a breakthrough. From 2D unloading to 3D 5-axis laser cutting, from laser pipe cutting to zero bevel tailing, from remote maintenance to flexible intelligent production line, each step in product innovation has made breakthrough in a new application of a new industry. Continuous innovation makes PENTA Laser been trusted by customers. PENTA Laser now has 4 large production bases in Wenzhou, Wuhan, and Linyi, and 6 professional R&D centers in Florence, Shanghai, Beijing, Wenzhou, Linyi, and Wuhan. We share technologies with customers here and develop together. By adhering to the design philosophy of green and smart manufacturing, PENTA Laser focuses on intelligent and environmentally friendly manufacturing of laser equipment. PENTA Laser practices green development by actions, and our products are the best reflection of PENTA's long-range goals. The world's excellence comes with revolution. Society's progress comes with revolution. We keep ceaseless steps in laser industry technology changes and corporate development pattern changes with revolutionary thinking. However, our original aspiration of being laser application expert, creating value for customers, has and will always remain the same. PENTA Laser has built a professional team rooted in harmony, enterprising, excellence, and high efficiency. We persist in the original aspiration among changes. We stick to the industrial dream in persistence. PENTA Laser spends all efforts to become a world-class laser processing equipment manufacturer and make Chinese laser equipment take the lead in global laser manufacturing.